Greetings and a warm welcome to VitalGlow Life. We're here to help you illuminate your path to a healthier, happier life. In our pursuit of wellness today, we'll be exploring a fundamental cornerstone of good health: a balanced diet. It's not just about eating the right foods, but also about ensuring they harmoniously work together to nourish our bodies. So, buckle up as we delve into the world of wholesome foods and nutrition. Today, we're going to unravel the secrets of maintaining a balanced diet. First off, what exactly is a balanced diet? Simply put, a balanced diet is a nutritional powerhouse that includes a diverse range of foods in the right proportions. Imagine a culinary mosaic where each piece represents different nutrients: proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Each of these elements plays a unique role in keeping our body functioning at its best. Proteins are the body's building blocks, aiding in growth and repair. Carbohydrates provide energy, while fats, although often demonized, are essential for certain bodily function. Vitamins and minerals, often found in fruits and vegetables, are the body's little helpers, supporting numerous processes to keep us healthy and vibrant. A balanced diet isn't about strict restrictions or depriving ourselves. It's about embracing variety and nourishing our bodies with what they need. Remember, it's not just about eating, it's about eating right. A balanced diet is the key to good health and well-being. Now, why should we bother about maintaining a balanced diet? Well, the benefits are vast and can have a transformative impact on our lives. Let's start with weight management. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, helps to maintain a healthy weight, reducing the risk of obesity and associated health problems. Now, let's talk about disease prevention. Did you know that a balanced diet can help ward off chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer? It's true. Foods rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals can act like a protective shield, keeping these health threats at bay. But the benefits don't stop there. A balanced diet can also boost your immune system, making you less susceptible to common illnesses. And let's not forget about its role in enhancing physical and mental performance. The right nutrients fuel our bodies and minds, promoting alertness, energy, and overall well-being. As you can see, the benefits of a balanced diet are plentiful. Great! We know what a balanced diet is and its benefits. But how do we maintain it? Here are some tips to keep you on track. Firstly, make a habit of eating at regular intervals. This helps regulate your body's metabolism and prevents overeating. Secondly, ensure you're including a broad spectrum of foods in your meals. This means you're not only eating fruits and vegetables, but also whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Variety is key to obtaining all the nutrients your body needs. Next, hydration cannot be overstated. Drinking ample water aids digestion and keeps you feeling full, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods. Finally, make a conscious effort to minimize the intake of processed foods. These often contain high levels of sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats, which can disrupt the balance of your diet. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet is not a one-time thing, but a lifestyle choice. That wraps up our discussion on balanced diet. We've navigated through the essence of a balanced diet, its numerous benefits, and some handy tips to maintain it. Remember, a balanced diet is not just about eating right, but it's about feeling great, having more energy, improving health, and boosting your mood. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to VitalGlow Life for more such informative content. Stay healthy, stay glowing.